Torej, če klient prosi na pomoč.
The instrument of this
Te pomoči.
nature will respond. Force of nature that the help will respond.
Sila narave za pomoč se bo odzvala.
Such as
In obraz
necessary to be understood.
Tak, kot je potreben, da ga razume.
Maybe before you need to see a face.
Ni nujno, da ima obraz, preden potrebujete videti.
Different forms of angels and spirits.
Tako da vsaka obliko angelov, dev.
Like flowers and so on. English use the word deva, which is
Z
divinity.
duhove raznih obstaja izraz deva.
Yeah. It's convenient to see it. It shows you how humans.
Praktični obraz, ki ti prikazuje, ki ti povezuje z ljudmi.
So with sheep, of course, grass is a lot more.
Ovcem, na primer, trebaš gledati.
Depending upon the creature, the other creatures take on a certain.
Potreb posamezne živali, si druge živali.
Yeah, so if your friends is your way of receiving it, you have all these traditional fairies.
Torej, če je to, da imate rastline kot prijatelji in pridobivanje informacij, potem je in podobno vaša stvar.
The essences.
Morda bliže resnici so
More mathematical understanding of them.
bolj matematične.
Like you have a periodic table of elements and all through the universe.
Lahko imamo periodičen element teh angelov in isto bo
You could have a periodic table of angels if you already have a periodic table of elements.
lahko imate sistem angelov, če ste v svetu, kateri je sistem elementov.
At least you feel more comfortable. Loving faces and white wings.
Podobno, da imajo vaši angeli lepe obrazke.
And that may communicate them being numbers.
Potem lahko to morda ker to, da bi bili oni le številke.
Because to some people numbers are others they are alive.
Nekaterim ljudem številke niso, drugim so.
Amit Goswami, his research for the physics of the soul, and in the Book of the Dead, which Tibetan book, how that could be make sense with quantum physics. He reached the conclusion that it's a quantum that reincarnates, and that's
Okay.
Torej, govorila sem z njim, ki je raziskoval to fiziologijo duše na primeru mrtvih, kjer je potem prišel do tega, da je reinkarnacija kvantni monitor, zares vso prevede v skupek enačb.
Patients have a certain
In da ta skupek je naš določene verjetnosti znotraj njih.
Yeah.
Da, točno tako.
Yeah, that's the way a quantum would say exactly the same thing.
Kvantni fizik rekel točno ista stvar.
The self, like the level that creates the higher self.
Stvarnik sam na nivoju, ki ustvari višji jaz.
He has a set of 22 abilities.
Or me. Ali jaz na mesto 22 verjetnosti.
Probabilities also is called attractors in quantum physics.
Verjetnosti so v kvantni fiziki imenovani čudni privlačniki.
A strange attractor you know is there because anything that comes near it has changed.
Je nekaj, kar veste, da je tam samo po tem, da karkoli se mu.
The 22 factors can be inside a sphere, for example.
22 faktorjev je lahko zgodilo, na primer.
Well, there's an infinite number of relationships with 22 factors.
Obstaja neskončno možnost relacij s 22 faktorji.
Like the letters of the alphabet can make some millions of words.
22 črk abecede lahko naredi nekaj milijonov.
And every word can have so many depths of meaning.
Da ima lahko toliko različno globin pomenov.
If you imagine two factors with an infinite number of possibilities of creating a matrix.
22 faktorjev z neskončnim številom kombinacij, ki ustvarjajo.